Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us. We're going to begin with a major milestone in the fight against COVID. It was exactly 1 year ago today that Pfizer said its COVID vaccine proved to be highly effective against the coronavirus in trials. The first shots came just over a month later. Well, today, Pfizer requested government authorization for its COVID booster, hoping to make it available to all adults 18 and older. Federal health officials are concerned about decreasing immunity as we head into winter, and they're emphasizing the importance of getting those boosters. This comes as the vaccination campaign for kids 5 to 11 is getting into full swing, with some grade schoolers waiting in long lines today to get their shots. CBS's Nikki Battiste leads off our coverage in New York City. Good evening, Nikki.
Nora, good evening. With Pfizer's request tonight, millions of vaccinated people could become eligible for a booster shot just as the winter holiday season kicks off.
More than 25 million people have had a booster shot since the FDA authorized it for anyone who is at least 65, high risk, or who already received the Johnson & Johnson shot. And studies indicate a third dose could be critical, as mounting evidence shows efficacy wanes anywhere from 6 to 8 months after full vaccination.
You're done.
Children remain at high risk after 5 to 11-year-olds became eligible for the Pfizer shot late last week. New data shows more than 100,000 children tested positive for COVID for the 13th straight week. More than 350 children have died of COVID since the beginning of September, bringing the total to nearly 900 child deaths since the start of the pandemic. In New York City today, these parents jumped at the chance to get the first vaccine dose for their children.
It's very significant. We just want our daughter to be protected.
10-year-old Leah Adams waited with her parents in one of the many lines wrapping around New York City blocks.
You're done.
Demand is outpacing supply at some schools and pediatricians' offices.
I want the vaccine.
Like many of the kids waiting, Will Hahn was hesitant but ready.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you to get the vaccine?
A 9 because I'm kind of nervous, but I really want to get it.
Several parents here at this New York City elementary school told me today they waited for nearly 4 hours to get their child a vaccine dose. But experts say if kids keep lining up for a shot, classrooms could be mask-free early next year. Nora?
And that's worth the wait. Nikki Battiste, thank you.